Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the activities which helps a child's emotional development to happen. So we have divided this series into different age categories. Activities for 0 to 1 year, 1 to 2 years, 2 to 3 years and 3 years and above. Now we are discussing about the activities for the 1 to 2 year old children. Emotions, there are various types of kinds of emotions, so naming the emotions is very important, because as a child's language is developing, initially when the child's language is not developed, the child will be using just the smile, cry, cooing or different sounds and expression. As the language gets developed, the child, it is better if the child knows to express in words what the feeling the child is going through. So naming of the feelings are very important. So it is better parents can work on the different names, different emotions, and when the child is going through such emotions, it can be named. Apart from that, you can use the flashcard to name the different emotions. You can show the pictures in the newspapers or magazines where different expressions of the people are there. So it can be an activity to show it to the child, the different pictures and what the emotions, feelings with the picture. So that the child knows to name the emotions. And when the child is going through the different emotions, it is good you acknowledge the feeling of the child. Acknowledging the feelings gives a soothing effect to the person who is undergoing that feeling. So if it is a joyful emotion, so it can be with the praise, it can be with the hugs, it can be with the clapping of the hands. So there are various ways in which you can show the joy, happiness. So if it is anger and sad or probably what we call it as negative emotions, so it can be the child initially might show it through biting, kicking, throwing the things, to rather avoid such situation. If it is not, then when such situations are there, acknowledging the feeling is very important. Along with that, why the child is doing. So if it is because of the hunger, if it is because of sleepy, these tantrums are because of such things, it has to be addressed, which gives a soothing effect to the child. Apart from this, there are various activities which will give a emotional bonding between a parent and a child is through singing activity. So you can, apart from the lullabies, you can sing a lot of songs to the child from different language with the movements, dancing. So it is a very good activity for the emotional development. Along with the singing and dancing, it can be expressed through art. You can give a plain white paper to the child and crayons to scribble. So this is one of the activity which you can give. Apart from singing and a creative activity, you can give story narration is a wonderful activity in which different emotions can be expressed through facial expression. You can dress up accordingly as a story characters and do this narration. This again is a wonderful activity for a small child as a viewer, as well as can be a participant sometime with all these expressions and emotions. So whenever you're playing with your child or doing any activity with your child, keep a focus on what is the emotions going around, and going with the flow of acknowledging and understanding, naming it is very important for 1 to 2 year old children.